Hey everybody, this is how we're going to be using the simulation from Colorado University at PhET. So first thing you're going to want to do is learn how to fill these different containers and use these different buttons. So you've got a whole bunch of different solutions here. I'm going to start with just water, and you're going to press and hold the red button to fill this container with some water. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to place our little sensor, and it will tell you what the pH of that substance is. You can add water to it. You can drain it away by pressing and dragging, kind of holding those things. You can also just hit the reset button to go back to normal. So that's how you're going to test the pH of these different things. So let's say, for example, I'm interested in the pH of battery acid. I'm going to place my sensor. I'm going to, press and hold. And as you can see, the pH has read here. Now I can also play around with what happens if I add water, what happens if I have that battery acid and then I add something to it like, that resets it. But you can do one thing at a time. You can test the pH of all these different things, and what you're going to want to do is record those in your Google form today and answer some of the questions that are about them. So there's always the reset button. There's the list of different substances here, and you just need to make sure that you move that sensor over so that you're getting constant readings on those different things.